Hey there folks, Andrew Griffiths here, international best-selling author, speaker, etc, etc, etc. You know who I am by now, right? What I want to talk about today is the concept of really identifying what it is that your business needs right here, right now. Now, why am I kind of talking a bit about that? One of the things that I really see a lot of these days is this complexity about how do we do what needs to be done in our business? How do we focus? There's social media, there's marketing, there's business development, there's processing time, there's doing if you're delivering on whatever it is that you're selling, there's so many demands on business owners that the list is just getting longer and longer and longer. And all too often we end up focusing our time and our energy on the things that we probably shouldn't do. We get distracted. We find out now all of a sudden we've all got to learn about AI. It's a great tool, but is it the priority in your business right now? Or we don't address constant problems that we've had in our business and we've had for years, yet we somehow just don't get around to fixing them. For me, I have a very clear approach to this. Every week, I clarify what is the number one priority in my business this week. Is it selling stuff? I need to generate more revenue. Is it making sure that all of my clients, I'm up to date and I'm servicing my clients? Is it getting my tax done? Is it creating content? Is it what is the one most important thing that I need to focus on in my business this week? By really identifying that then becomes my daily priority. So for example, let's say, okay, I've got Christmas is coming, I need to make some money, so I need to sell more stuff. Great. What am I going to do each day to make sure that I'm driving sales? What's my focus on it? What am I actually going to do? It's great to have the focus, but what are the key tasks? When I'm doing my daily worksheet, when my to-do list, most of those items need to be focusing on creating revenue, driving sales, whatever it might be, if that's the focus. It sounds really simple, but I tell you what, the thing that it really does for me, it stops me doing this. It stops me kind of, my day is all over the place. It's part of that, it's part of this, part of that. And I never really feel like I'm getting stuff done. If my focus is, I want to get on top of my content this week, great. I know what it is I need to be doing, what stuff I need to be planning. I can do that on my day-to-day basis. It's a priority in my day, it's a priority in my week. So my question to you is quite simply, today, right here, right now, what is the one thing that your business needs the most? Is it more sales? Is it more structure? Is it more systems perhaps? Is it, you've got to fix your customer service? Is it, I need a new website, my website is terrible? What is that one thing that you need to be focusing on? Break that down into key tasks. Now work out how you're actually going to be delivering them. And every day for the next week, treat that as your absolute and utter priority. You do that and you do it all of the time. So I do this every Monday morning. What is my priority this week? I've got to know. Sometimes it's take better care of myself. Sometimes it's have a quieter week, knock off earlier, like whatever it might be. There's no set of 10 things. It's entirely up to you. But you've got to be able to say, well, okay, yes, my priority is I've got this coming, I've got this happening, I've dropped the ball a bit there, I need to address that, whatever it might be, identify it, and then most importantly, figure out how you're actually going to deliver on that. So that's your homework. What does your business need this week, and how are you going to treat it as a priority and make sure you deliver? All right, good luck. I hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon. Andrew Griffiths, over and out.